Good evening, parents and children. Greetings from Little Teddybird Preschool. Trust you and everyone are safe and well at home. Today we are going to learn math. The topic is number quantity from 101 to 120. This is the number 100. 100. 100. This is units place, tens place, hundreds place. Units place we have the number 0. Tens place we have the number 0. Hundreds place we have the number 1. So let us put 100. 101. In hundreds place we have the number 1. We have put 100. In tens place we have the number 0. So we will not put any tens. In units place we have the number 1. So we will put 1 unit. 101. 102. Units place we have the number 2, so we will put 2 units. So it will be 102. 103. Units place we have the number 3, so we will put 3 units. 1, 2, 3. 103. 104. Units place we have the number 4, so we will put 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. 104. Units place we have the number 5, so let us put 5 units. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 105. 106. Units place we have the number 6, so we will put 6 units. Let us add one more unit. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 106. 107. We have to add one more unit. So let us add one more unit. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 107. 108. Units place we have the number 8. So let us put 8 units. We have to add one more. Let us add one more unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 units. 108. 109. We have to add one more unit. Let us add one more unit. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 109. What comes after 109? 110. Hundreds place we have the same number, that is 1. Tens place we have the number 1, and units place we have the number 0. So let us put 110 because in the tens place we have the number 1. Units place we have the number 0, so we do not have any units. So 110. 111. Hundreds place has the number 1, tens place has the number 1 and units place has the number 1. So let us add one more unit. 1. 111. 112. Units place we have the number 2. So we have to add another unit. Let us add another unit. Let us count 1, 2. So 112. 113. We have in the units place we have the number 3. So we have to add one more unit. So let us add one more unit. Let us count 1, 2, 3. So 113. 114. 114. In the units place we have the number 4. So we need to add one more unit. Let us add one more unit. Now let us count 1, 2, 3, 4. 114. 115. Units place we have the number 5. So we need to add one more unit. Let us add one more unit. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 115. 116. In the units place we have the number 6. We have to add one more unit. Let us add one more unit. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 116. 117. In the units place we have the number 7. So we need to add one more unit. Let us add one more unit. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 117. 118. In the units place we have the number 8. So we have to add one more unit. So let us add one more unit. Now let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 118. 119. Units place we have the number 9. So we have to add one more unit. Let us add one more unit. Now let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 119. 120. In the hundreds place we have the same number 1. Tens place we have the number 2. So we have to add one more 10. One, two. 2 tens. So 10, 20. So 120. We are not putting any units because the units place has the number 0. So the quantity is 120. Now I will be giving an example for how to do it for 121. So let us see the numbers. Units place we have the number 1. Tens place we have the number 2. Hundreds place we have the number 1. So in hundreds place we have put 100. Tens place we have put 1, 2. 2 tens, and we have to add one more unit because we have the number 1. So let us put 1 unit. 1. So this number is 121. Thank you for watching. You can perform this math activity even at home. All you need is a white paper, black sketch pen and a pair of scissors. To make this look colorful for your child, you can use crayons or color pencils. Now let's see how we do the math material for hundreds place value. Please take a white paper, draw a large square and start drawing 10 vertical lines in the square equidistantly. Now draw 10 horizontal lines in the same square equidistantly. After you draw 10 horizontal lines and 10 vertical lines, this is how it looks. Now please cut this and keep the large square you made for hundreds place value aside. You will need 9 of these. Now let's see how we do the math material for tens place value. Please take a white paper and draw a narrow sized long rectangle. Make it into equal 10 parts with sketch pen. And your material for tens place value is ready. Please cut this and keep this tens place value aside. You will need 9 of these. Make another tens place value and cut into 10 pieces. Now your material for units place value is ready. After everything, this is how it looks like. Make a number of them to make your child practice large numbers. Thank you.